Good morning, Year 11s. Our lesson for today is optimizing the photo provided at the left. Your objective is to create a banner, add text, like for example, like that banner. Your success criteria is, have a picture with good quality that will load quickly. So that's the optimization part. Banner for with text, my banner or any text, the purpose is so you can actually use the text tool for Photoshop, and it should be 72 pixels per inch, not more than 1000 pixels by 210, and in JPEG. So over here is the picture. You will be double clicking, and here it is. See, if we'll investigate, this is like a raw picture, and if we look at the image here, it will tell us that, well, while it is already 72 in resolution, it is like 45 inches in length or in pixels. So if you visualize that, it's about, well, as far as my arm span, but we only need like, what, 8 to 7 inches of that pixel in our web. That's why it's called optimization. Because if not, look at the file, it is at 15.6 megabytes. We don't like that. So let's look at the, so what you do actually is just click here the resample, and we can change this into pixels, and we'll see what we can do. We'll just click OK. But in the requirements, we have to remember it says they're not more than 100 pixels. So let's do this, okay? So the first thing I will do here is, I'll cancel it first, is improve the image quality by going to the image, adjustments, and levels. What does level do? Level actually is determines the highlight. This right slider here can adjust the highlight, meaning the white tone here. Let's look for the whitest tone here. It could be this part, let's say this part, or the cloud. See what happens when I click that? Nothing. But if I, let's say, let's choose another white spot here. Still nothing. So you can, if nothing moves, you can just adjust it. See how it gets to be white until it's washed out if you do that. But that's not the purpose. We just want it to apply the most visible highlight, and this is for the shadow. We can look for the darkest part here. Let's say it's this part over here. We click it and still nothing happens, so we can just adjust it like that. You see the difference? And adjust this to, well, this is the midtones. You see, images in general consist of highlight over here and shadow and midtone. Let's just say okay, there you are. Now we're ready to cut it to size. Let's look at the size again. It's at 45 inches, so we'll just make it into in pixels. I'll just do this. Okay, I'll put here 300 just so I have already reduced the size, but the resolution still remains at, I mean, it increased the resolution. What I'll do here is I'll just click OK, because I would like to define the area that I'd like to put as a banner. I'll be doing that by using the crop tool, and I have clicked the crop tool already, and I will decide to, let's say, I'd like to see a bit of sky there and some forested area here, there, that could be it. And to commit that, I'll just double click inside or the check mark here. I'll do that, and that's my banner already. And I'll go back to image size, it's at 300. I'll make this as well, or sample it, make it 72, and there you have it. See, if you remember, the size was what, 15 megabytes. It has become 562. So that is in itself an image optimized. So I'll click that and see how it made it small. But if I double click the magnifying glass, that is how it will look in your website. So I'm just gonna save this, save as, Let's say I'll make it version 02. I'll click save, maximum, so that's already fine, see? But let's look at the original here. Let's just look at it again and see the difference. This is if I double click the hand here, the magnifying glass, this is how large it will look like in your web. You can actually put this in your web by assigning width and height, but to get excellence, it must be optimized in a manner that will only fit the exact size for your web. Is an example or where we put the size. That ends our first lesson. Thank you.